Hi friends, today we have brought you 200-watt stereo amplifier board in which power supply is inbuilt. These are common collector transistor amplifier, work on plus-minus 24-volt AC transformer. Here you have to connect 24 AC and ground. Connect here right audio, input and ground. And here left audio, input and ground. Connect left speaker here. And right speaker here. This are complementary transistor, used only original transistor. This are 3mm red color LED. You can also use green color. All capacitor are 63 volt. This is bottom side of PCB. We hope you like it. If you like it, then don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends. And do subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification. If you have any query regarding this circuit, then do comment. After completing, this is how it's look.
Can you hear the sound?